New Year already came. Have you prepared any present for your family? Nope? That's fine. Today I'm gonna provide with an amazing idea to fix it. You need to prepare a few things for this handmade. Sweet card papers, double-sided foam tab, and also we're gonna use ORTUR H10 for this project. At first we create two rectangles, one with 230mm times 180mm, the other with 240mm times 200mm, and a chamfering filled rectangle with 110mm times 70mm on the working area of library. Then we cut them with laser machine. Now we fold the smaller rectangle paper in half. And draw 7 vertical lines with 0.05mm times 55mm on library. Move the module to the bottom of rectangle and cut it. Make 4th line to the creases. Open the card and fold along the crease to the other side. Make sure it looks like this. After that, cut the number of 2025 and stick it on these 4 lines. We need some stickers to spice up the card. You can find some patterns or images on website. Engrave the main part and cut the shape of it. Then use double-sided foam tab to stick other patterns and chamfering filled rectangle on this rectangle card for getting some three-dimensional effect. You can write some greeting words and blessing on the rest of the card. Then we stick the other rectangle card together. And then final step, we need to cut a chamfering filled square with 100mm times 100mm as a cover for this greeting card. Then spike it up. That's all for this tutorial. If you're interested with our other handmade projects, subscribe our channel and check about it. See you next time.